Makeup, outfit, nails, done. Wondering why no one is doing my hair? I don't have to do it anymore. Tega has me covered.
Ma'am, the client is here.
Okay, guys, let's go. Now that I've said it, I'll share with you a little of my hair care ritual. This is Dega's rice water shampoo and soy milk conditioner. Together, they help me achieve this smooth, free, glossy, frizz-free hair that you see. Being able to move around such frizz-free hair is no shortcut. And the best part is, this is paraben-free as well and stays longer than your usual shampoo. And when it's time for the camera, the hair speaks for itself. There you go. Because the best thing you can give your hair is your time.